Okay, this is the Electro-Arc metal disintegrator, tap disintegrator. We're going to do a quick demonstration on how you would remove a broken tap. I've got a piece of 3/4 inch steel here with a 1/2 inch tap broken off on the inside. We're going to start up our vibrating head, our pump, and the disintegrator. Well, you got your water coming out of the electrode now. I'm going to loosen the clamp here to slowly bring this down. You don't want to drop right on it. You want to maintain a gap. You just continue to burn away. As we're doing this, the cold water is causing the superheated metal to break up. The water is washing it away, and soon the tap will just fall out of there.